Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So a lot of people ask me when they first start with the company is, how do I talk about Epicure? How do I talk about this amazing company? And let me also say that once people sign up and they do order their kit and their kit comes in the mail and they start trying things, they are like, wow, I love this company with every product I try. So much healthier and truly amazing. So take what you think about the company and think, okay, what did I first really like about the company? What clicked in my mind that said, I have to try Epicure? This sounds amazing. So for me, it was basically take everything you're eating now and make it healthier. Epicure has easy, simple ways to make everything healthier. So you don't have to eat lettuce every day, 3 times a day. Epicure is so much more than a diet. We are not a diet program, okay? Epicure is helping you to achieve that healthy lifestyle. We are not a diet. A lot of people do lose weight if they do eat only Epicure and sort of follow proper portion sizes. They eat properly, basically. So it does work that way too, but we are not all about, sign up now and lose the weight. We are not about that. We want you to eat healthier and save time. Saving time in the kitchen means you're happier, your kids are happier, everybody's happier. You never have to ask again, what's for dinner? Everybody asks what's for dinner. But if you have Epicure, you will not ask what's for dinner because we have meal packages to help you make anything from raw to ready in like 20 minutes. You do not need 20 different things to actually prep for either. We make everything easier with our cookware, with our meal packages, with our meal kits, with our seasonings, herbs. If you're like, oh, I just want a hot chocolate, but I know that that's not healthy for me, you can still have that hot chocolate because Epicure makes it healthier. You can say, I just want a cupcake. I just want a cupcake. With Epicure, you can make cupcakes in 8 minutes, okay? You can make a cake in 8 minutes in the microwave, a much healthier cake for you. Yes, it would probably be better if you didn't eat the cake, but you still have to live your life. So Epicure finds a way for everything to make it healthier for you. If you love sandwiches, okay, Epicure helps you make those sandwiches a lot healthier. With our cookware, everything is done in less time. With our steamers, you can make 2 baked potatoes, because I did this just the other day, pop them in the microwave, in the steamer, it takes 8 minutes. Potatoes take an hour, you guys. That totally blew me away. So 8 minutes, baked potatoes in the microwave. So if you're saying, oh geez, I made dinner, I didn't really think about a side. Well, Epicure makes it so easy. Well, do you have any baked potatoes? Do you have any potatoes? Pop them in. There you go. Done. You might be saying, okay, well, yeah, but I kind of want something else as a side. I have carrots. Can I make carrots that quickly? Like, can I steam the carrots? Like, what do I do? Carrots, even easier. Pop them in the steamer. No water needed. Pop them in there for maybe 4 minutes. Done. Okay? You don't waste water. You don't have to dirty up a pan. None of that. So in my mind, Epicure is all about healthier eating with things you like already, but just kind of switching out a couple things to make it even healthier. But everything takes less time. 20 minutes, you can have this amazing meal on the table in 20 minutes. Who doesn't love that? Okay, so you never have to ask what's for dinner again. So think about that. Think about what truly, what does Epicure mean to you? And then if customers ask you, so what's the big deal about Epicure? Tell them exactly that. Tell them what Epicure means for you and think about why you first started thinking about Epicure in the first place. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. Let me know if you need anything. Make sure to click like so that way I know people are watching. And if you haven't signed up yet, you probably should because Epicure's awesome. You will love it. You have nothing to lose. So thank you guys. I will talk to you very, very soon.